Okay guys, today we're replacing the motor on this DUR181 Makita Whipper Snipper. Pull the screws out, don't forget those ones. And that just comes apart like that. There's the motor and the gearbox. Disconnect those wires. And then we've got our replacement motor. Link in the description for replacement motor with the gear and everything. Just slide straight in. Tap the old one out through like that. Simple. Clean it up a bit. Check that it's exactly the same. It is. Perfect. Slips beautifully in there, no worries. Clean it up a little bit, pop it back in the casing, making sure it fits right. I like to grease it up, link in the description for the grease. Slip it back in, make sure everything's nice and clean. Connect the terminals back on, wiring. Slip the cover back on, put the screws back in. They're just regular Phillips head screws. Put the head back on, put that back on. Yep, and that's it. All done. Perfect. Simple as. Links in the description for the parts you might need. Yeah, the symptoms were the motor had no power and it was cutting in and out and it was just no good. So we bought a replacement motor, link in the description, where you can get your one. Super simple as you just saw, slips in and out basically. Hope this helps guys. Catch you in the next video.